Okay, I have my heat set to low. In my medium saucepan, I'm going to add 1 cup of corn syrup, 2/3 cup of light brown sugar, 3 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix this all up real good and bring it to a boil. I went ahead and turned my heat up to a medium-low. Okay, this is up to a boil now. I'm going to add 2 cups of chopped pecans. I'm going to let this simmer for about 8 minutes. Okay, it's been about 9 minutes and this is nice and thick. I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off, and I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And mix that in there. Okay, I'm going to remove this off the heat and I'm going to let it cool completely before we even attempt to wrap up these egg rolls. Okay, it's been about an hour and our pecan filling is completely cooled off. I have some water that we are going to need to help seal these up. I'm going to dip my finger in our water and go around all the edges. This is going to help seal our egg roll. Then I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of our pecan filling, put it just about in the middle. Try not to go too far out because you don't want this to leak out. I'm going to take this point closest to me and bring it over, press it down and seal it. And these 2 little dealy bobs right here, I'm going to press it down. Then I'm going to bring these 2 points in. Make sure that's sealed up. And then I'm just going to roll. Just like that. Make sure this is sealed good. Get more water if you need to. Okay, I am going to finish these up and I will be right back. Okay, so I have these all wrapped up. I have 9 here. I ran out of egg rolls. This is what I have left, so it'll probably make about 10 or 11. I am going to spray these with cooking spray because I want a nice golden brown color. Grab my air fryer basket. I'm going to put these in with the seam side down. Okay, these are ready to go into the air fryer. Okay, I'm going off of the apple pie egg rolls. I have this set on 380 degrees and we are going to go 10 minutes. I will check in between just to make sure. Okay, our 10 minutes is up on the first side. I'm going to tell you right now, don't crowd your egg rolls in here like I did, because it's going to make it harder for you to flip these over. Okay, I have these turned over. I'm only going to do a couple more minutes on the other side. We probably really don't need to. Some of my egg rolls are leaking. I may have overfilled them or did not get them sealed good enough. To me, it almost looks like I might have overfilled some of these. So be aware of that. So I'm going to go 380 for 2 minutes on the other side. Sorry if you hear kids playing in the background. I basically have an elementary school in my backyard. Okay, I have these plated up. I can't remember if I showed that I did do 2 minutes on the other side and that was good. So 10 minutes on the first side, 2 minutes on the other at 380. Doesn't that look good? This, my friends, is so good. Just remember, if you do go to make these, try not to overfill them and make sure they're sealed up good. And don't crowd them in your air fryer like I did. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you soon.